You don't have to fly all the way to Tokyo to feel like you're in Japan. Here in Hawaii, Japanese culture is everywhere, woven into food, shops, and daily life.
Some of our favorite moments came from these little slices of Japan we kept stumbling into. Today we're sharing 5 of them with you.
Genki Sushi. Bullet train sushi delivery never gets old.
That looks good.
You order on your phone, and a few minutes later, your food comes flying to your table on a mini Shinkansen. It's fast, fun, and feels straight out of Japan.
The food itself is solid, but the experience is what makes it special. It's the kind of place that makes you grin the whole time you're eating.
Replicate worthy? Absolutely.
(7-Eleven Hawaii). This is not the 7-Eleven you know from the mainland. Hawaii's version feels like a Konbini airlifted straight from Japan.
Spam musubi, curry chicken steamed buns, melon soda. We couldn't stop ourselves. We filmed every shelf like it was a theme park attraction.
Replicate worthy? Definitely. Musubi is already on our studio list.
Don Quijote Hawaii. Don Quijote in Honolulu is pure chaos, in the best way. It's noisy, it's crowded, and it's absolutely loaded with Japanese groceries and snacks.
We came for Coolish ice cream in a pouch and left with way more. It's the kind of store that makes you feel like you've actually hopped a flight to Tokyo. Daiso. Daiso is a Japanese treasure chest. We thought we'd grab 1 or 2 things, but walked out with a basket of bento boxes, rice molds, and even a stapleless stapler. Because why not?
Where else do you get excited enough to film a pack of chopsticks like it's a museum piece? Replicate worthy? The musubi molds are first in line when we get home. UNIQLO Hawaii. UNIQLO is one of Japan's biggest fashion exports, and seeing it right in Oahu made us feel like we stepped directly into Shinjuku.
The store had its own Hawaii twist too. Exclusive island-themed designs alongside all the basics you'd expect. An affordable, clean style that felt just like shopping in Japan.
STIX Asia Food Hall. STIX Asia Food Hall felt like a trip to a Japanese department store basement. Ramen stalls, noodle streets, all with that neon glow and energy you'd expect in Shinjuku.
The food is amazing here, but even just walking through gave us major Japan vibes. We recommend trying a new stall every time you visit.
So from bullet train sushi to Konbini musubi and Daiso finds to UNIQLO fashion, Japan's influence is everywhere in Hawaii. And honestly, that made our trip even more fun.
Replicate worthy? Absolutely. These spots gave us a taste of Japan without ever leaving Oahu. If you enjoyed tagging along with us, make sure to like and share our video, and join us for the next adventure.
Thanks for watching. We're happy to have you here with us.